Oh my God, like not even 5 minutes on my bike, I wrecked it. My shirt is all tattered, I'm bruised. My arm. Oh my God. Not even 5 minutes on the bike. I hit my head. My head hurt. My bike is fucked up. Not even 5 fucking minutes. Not even 5 minutes. I wasn't even on the bike 5 minutes.
392 with beauty beating that gas that thing go. Gas that thing go. Gas that thing go. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing go. Gas that thing go. Gas that thing go. Beauty bitch, she bad, yeah, she drive a scat, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah, she turning lots of heads. 392 with beauty beating that gas that thing go. Gas that thing go. Gas that thing go. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing go. Gas that thing go. Gas that thing go.
Like I'm doing an interview on my goddamn self. Hi guys, Beauty392B here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, like, comment, and subscribe. My channel is about family, traveling, bike life, and car life. I'm back sooner than usual, okay? You guys, I wrecked my GSXR-1000 literally less than 24 hours that I bought it. Honestly, it was a rookie mistake, meaning I've been riding, I learned on the GSXR-1000, so what I've done, it could have been prevented. But the past couple of days I have been resting, trying to recuperate. My body has been hurting. My arm is so swollen. My breast is bruised. My lip is bust. My legs are swollen. Just the typical stuff. So I'm just so thankful and blessed to be here, because when I went down, all I pictured was my son's face. Posted on Instagram, I posted, hey, I was going to do my first ride. I was ready. The weather was pretty, but I ain't gonna lie, that day I did not feel the most comfortable or confident to ride, but I still hopped on anyway. And I think I was super nervous for me, getting back on a bike, and I've been off for a year. Rookie mistake. That's gonna play into how I went down. So this is the helmet I was wearing. I ordered this helmet from Thailand. So pretty. I didn't scrape it and damaged it because I went like that. So these are the gloves I was wearing. My little motorcycle gloves, and I just had on regular clothes. So yeah, all my gloves are scraped up. It's so funny because the guys are saying oh, you're a real bike rider. Nah, fuck that. If I gotta fall and go through that, hell no. As soon as I get my bike fixed, I already ordered my parts. I had to get a new headlight. I had to get a new mini headlight. I had to get the forks. I had to get a new rim. I will be getting new tires, new seats, just a whole new revamp on the bike. I feel like if I give into the negativity and let myself get down, I'm not going to want to get back on. Soon as my bike get fixed, I'm ready to get back on. Like I'm hyped and I'm ready and I'm excited. This is not going to stop me. I feel like I really wanted to bring this to the channel to show, the good, the bad, the ugly, the ups and downs. Shit is just not a smooth ride over here. I go through shit. This is the shit that I go through. Oh my God, enough rambling on. Let's go show you guys the damages of the bike. See if it starts. Yeah, I want to see if it starts first. Alright, so as you guys can see, it started. This is the damages to the bike. Oh my god. I did not want to come and make this. You can see the light. My headlight is missing, some of the plastic pieces. I had to order a new fork. As you can see, it's bent and it's also leaking. So, yep, the rim is bent as well. That's why the tire is flat. This is what happened, right? So I kind of adjusted the settings. So let me put it back to how it was. So when I had on my gloves, right? I really couldn't feel anything wearing those fucking gloves. Like, you can't feel nothing. So my hand, I don't really have the biggest hand. So when I went to grab my brake to turn, I went like that. You see that? Just the throttle is so sensitive. Just even a little twist with this power type of bike, the power this bike has, sent me flying. I went to grab that with those gloves on, and I went like that. So I'm pressing brake and that at the same time. Out of control. I was like a flying fucking squirrel. Out of control. So I have learned how to adjust these to my liking, to put them in more closer and things like that. So that's what I should have done also. And I want to lift this up too, just to bring this a little bit closer. So yeah, man, I have wrecked my GSXR-1000 in less than 24 hours of having her. All the parts are already ordered. I want to say within the next 2 weeks, she should be put back together, repainted, a whole different look. I also gotta get my rims powder coated to match the B. So I want this whole thing to mimic my Scat Pack. But come here. I just wanted to say, one last thing. Thank you to my friends and family who reached out and checked on me, everyone that knew about it. I love y'all so much, but the discouragement, saying, oh, you should just leave the bike alone, leave it alone. I would never tell you guys, to leave your passion or leave something, that you really love, alone. So no, I'm not gonna put my bike down. I'm gonna lay that motherfucker down when I'm ready to do it. I'm going to get back up. I'm going to readjust, realign, and attack again. So all the discouragement, oh, don't do it. I'm on it. So I just wanted to go ahead and say that in this video off on a positive note, you guys. I cannot wait for you guys to see me back on the bike. I cannot wait for you guys to see the rebuild. And yeah, this is not the end of bike life for me.
She bad, yeah, she drive a scat, yeah. She be rolling through the NOLA, yeah, she turning lots of heads. If you want that smoke, then you can gas that thing up. Gas that thing up.